Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can fix Discord not opening on PC. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, you need to delete the cache data of your PC, which you can do by coming over to the Start menu and searching for Run. Inside Run, you need to type in %appdata% and hit Enter. Now from here, you should see a folder called Discord. Inside it, there's 3 different folders that we need to delete. So we need to select Cache, Code Cache, and GPU Cache, and we just want to right-click on each of them and hit the trash icon to delete them. If you get an error message saying that you can't delete the folder, that simply means that the app's running in the background and you just need to close it. After that, we can come back to the folder and try again. Now it should delete successfully. Now, don't worry about deleting these folders as they're regenerated when we relaunch the app. If that solution didn't work for you, the next thing we can do is to make sure we're running the app as an administrator. To do that, head over to your desktop and you want to locate the Discord app. Right-click on the shortcut and come to Properties. Inside it, get to Compatibility and make sure Disable Full Screen Optimizations is selected, as well as Run this program as an administrator. Then you can just select Apply and OK to save the changes. If it's still not working, the next thing we need to do is check our system for any corrupt or missing files. We can do this simply by heading to the Start menu and searching for the word CMD, and then run it as an administrator. Inside of this black window, you want to type in the word sfc/scan now. This will take a few minutes to complete. It will automatically scan your system files and repair anything that is either corrupt or missing. Once we've done that, we also want to make sure our firewall isn't blocking the Discord app. For that, get to the Start menu, search for Firewall, then select Windows Defender Firewall. Now, on the left-hand side, you want to select Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Inside it, click on the Change Settings button before we can make any changes to this page, and then click on Allow another app. Then from this folder, we want to locate the Discord app. If you're not sure where that's located, the best thing we can do is close this for a second and come back to your desktop. Here, you want to right-click on the Discord shortcut and select Open File Location. Now, we can just copy this location from the top, come back to Defender, select Allow another app, and then inside Browse, you want to come to the top and paste the path. Now we can select this update file, select Add, and then locate the Discord app inside the list. After that, you want to make sure that both private and public are selected, and then you can just press OK to save the changes. If you've tried everything and it's still not working, the last and final thing we can do is a complete clean installation of the app. To do this, head to the Start menu and search for Add or Remove Programs. Then open it up, find the Discord app, click on the 3 little dots and select Uninstall. Once we've uninstalled it, we can reinstall it by coming to discord.com and then just selecting Download for your preferred operating system. So that's basically how you can fix Discord not opening on PC. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.